Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have ZTE blend V50 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but you can download any game from Google Play Store because it's stuck on padding. To fix it, in the first step you must cancel this install and go back to the main menu of our smartphone. In it we go navigate to the settings and one of the last options is system and update. There we have date and time. And now we must switch on first function set time automatically. After that our Google Play Store would work and we can install it. We go back to the main to Google Play Store and try install it, and we can do it right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.